Hello Gooners, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make smooth zoom in and out in Alightmotion. I will be dropping some secret editing sauce too, so watch the video till the end. Without wasting time, let's see the preview. Firstly, create a project and add your audio. Then we will mark the beat of the audio. After that, add your manga panels and adjust it according to the beat marking. Then we will go to the move and transform and add keyframe in the first and in the last of the clip. We will double tap on this icon and it will help you to move the pivot point, which makes it easier to zoom. Slide it to the head of the character, which make the head the center point. It is one of those tips which help you to edit videos faster. Then we will zoom the clip in the last keyframe for the zoom in effect, and do the same for the rest of the clips. Then we will add graph to the zoom effect to make it even smoother. Copy this graph, which I'm showing you in the screen. Then we will copy this graph that we created and we will paste it to the rest of the clips. After that, your zoom in and out effect is done. Now, we will add panning to the clip to give it some movement. Go to Effects and add Motion Blur and copy my settings. Then we will again go to Effects and add Oscillate to the clip. And now copy my settings. After this, your panning is also done. Now copy this effects and paste it to the rest of the clips. There you go, your video is ready.